Hey, it's Jordy from Mercedes-Benz Saskatoon, your factory order specialist. With 90% of the vote, you guys have decided on the 21-inch AMG 5-spoke bi-color wheel. So the great news is now we've selected all the options, packages, and choices that you guys have wanted. So just to recap what you guys have chose, you have chose a GLE 450 in Sodalith Blue Metallic with the AMG styling package with night. It's going to have the Bahia Brown leather interior with the anthracite open pore wood. You're going to have the exclusive package, you're going to have the Pinnacle package, the driver assistance package, and the AMG styling with night. And then the last thing is you guys did select the 21-inch 5-spoke AMG bi-color wheels. So tune in Friday where we are going to finalize the build and place the order. Just a reminder, we still are running our factory order event until the end of November. So that's an additional $2,000 off towards the order of a new vehicle. So we look forward to seeing you guys on Friday, and we will wrap it up then.